Good afternoon. Welcome to Midcap Radar. I'm Reema Tendulkar. With me is Sonal Bhutra, and these are the top stories that we're tracking at 1:30. Midcaps lag even as the market edges higher as the street looks ahead to the key inflation number in the US. Financials, auto, IT gain while realty and metals drag.
Dalmia Bharat slips on likely profit booking a day after it inks a deal to buy the cement assets of JP Associates. Some concerns on clearances and closure of the deal also weigh.
Polycab India stock hits an all-time high, gaining for the fourth straight day. Analysts say wire and cable makers saw good demand through October and November, led by B2C and B2B segments, and it will benefit from easing inflationary pressures.
Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy surges after Nuvama initiates coverage with a buy rating. The brokerage sees a four-fold rise in the company's EPC order book and expects it to benefit from RIL's new energy push.
Paytm gains ahead of its board meeting to consider a share buyback. Analysts expect the proposed buyback to limit cash burn going ahead.
Okay, all right. Those are the top headlines that we are tracking on Midcap Radar. A lot of action in the broader markets, and the Nifty at the day's high, 100 points higher there. And we also have the Bank Nifty, which is doing well, so 0.5% higher on the Bank Nifty as well. It looked like it could be a muted session today. SGX Nifty was indicating a 30-point uptick, but we are doing much better than that. And it is really the PSU banking space which is firing up again. And Reema, IT, it was flavor yesterday for all the reasons which spoke about slower growth, but today it has come back. That is the second the second highest gainer today, up 1%.
Indeed, Nifty IT was falling for 7 straight days in a row. So today, there is that big rebound that you can see on the Nifty IT index. Infosys is now the top Nifty gainer with a rally of close to about 2%. But even the others, like HCL Technology, currently up 1.5%. TCS has gained close to about 1%. So big rebound seen in IT names across the board, but that comes on the back of heavy selling over the last 7 days. But let's get to our segment, Midcap Movers. Vivek is joining in to take us through the midcaps that are moving around in trade.
Well, good afternoon. Quite a few stocks on our radar. First, we're looking at some of the stocks today that have hit fresh 52-week highs. First on our list is Alis Logistics. This particular stock continues to gain. BLS International Services, another stock that after a brief profit booking that this particular stock saw again at a fresh 52-week high, and Kalyan Jewellers continues to surge in trade. Now, the one pack that's clearly doing very well in the market are the financials. Whole host of names even in the larger pack. The Bank Nifty is at a fresh high as well. Despite that, some of the stocks that we're highlighting, some of the smaller names, J&K Bank, South India Bank, DCB, UCO Bank. Moving on, we also have Union Bank today, Indian Bank, as well as LS Bank. All of these stocks are at a fresh 52-week high in today's trading session. Some of the stocks that have hit the volume buzzers or moving at significantly larger volumes compared to their 5-day or 10-day average. NCC today is moving up on strong volumes. LGS Enterprises, Orissa Minerals or OMDC moving up after a long time, and ADF Foods too today is up on very strong volumes. On the other hand, some of the losers, Dr. Lal, in fact, this particular stock in the last hour saw quite a sharp sell-off on back of reports in Delhi that there could be some free testing available. Redington seeing a brief profit booking in today's trading session. Laurus Labs as well as Intostar, both of these stocks are down on strong volumes in today's session.
All right, Vivek, thank you so much for taking us through those stocks in the broader markets. It's time to get a technical